Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Remote Desktop on the host. Go to Settings, System, Remote Desktop, and turn it on. Make sure the user you'll sign in with has a password and is listed under Allowed Users. Note the PC name or its local IP address, and if needed, set up a simple dynamic DNS hostname. Once done, open or confirm firewall rule for port 3389 to allow incoming connections. This makes the machine reachable when you attempt the first connection. You now switch to the client and add the remote PC entry. Launch the Remote Desktop app, click Add or New, and paste the hostname or IP. Enter the user account you enabled and, if accessing across the internet, configure an RD gateway or forward port on the router. Make sure to configure display resolution, color depth, and local resource redirection like clipboard or drives. These settings affect responsiveness and file transfer. Once done, save and initiate the connection to test credentials and bandwidth. You finish by securing and validating the session. Make sure network-level authentication is enabled and restrict who can connect. Using a VPN or RD gateway vastly reduces exposure. Test reachability by pinging the host or using a port checker from a remote location. If the connection fails, restart the remote desktop services on the host and reapply the firewall rule. If problems persist, verify router port forwarding or use a temporary VPN to isolate network issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.